We are here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 207. Let's go on in. This is a different layout than we have from the other studios here within the building, because you see we'll enter through this hallway. That door on the right is the bathroom. Let's come back and look at that at the end. Let's go on in and see the main part of the apartment first. As we go in, we come down this hallway. This is great for a place to decorate. You can hang things on the wall. And let's come on into the main room. So this is different here because the kitchen area is all within the same room. So it's a more open concept. Let's take a look around. You can see the kitchen is the same items that we have in the other units. It's that refrigerator, microwave, sink, stove, oven, cabinets, and drawers. And it's just an open concept. So there's the dining table here. You might want to move that to a different location. We've got the bed over here. It's a regular full-size bed. There's the air conditioner in the window. The heater panel is below the window. And the other furnishings will be that desk and chair, dresser, and bookshelf. Of course, you can move the furniture around however you like. Because we are in the denser part of Collegetown, there will always be buildings around us. But let's go take a look out the window. Especially to our left, we do get some more sky out there. Over to our left, that is facing to the west, so it is a little brighter in the afternoon. Let's take a look back through here. So again, this is the 07 style apartment. We have this unit available on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 here in this 5-floor elevator building. We're in about the middle of the hallway on the west side. And two things. Let's look at the closet here first. So the closet is just inside that entry door. The entry door is that red door. Here's the closet. So that's your storage space. And then the bathroom. Let's look in here. I like how this toilet is separated kind of over on this side. You have that medicine cabinet or that small cabinet above to the left. That does open up for more storage. We've got towel racks. And then the large mirror. And you have the sink and vanity that has some drawers that opens up underneath. And then over here we have the tub shower that does slide open. You have the sliding door there for that. So that's a look at Collegetown Court, apartment 207. Again, this is available on floors 2 through 5 in this 5-floor elevator building here at 208 Dryden Road. Collegetown Court is located about a half a block above College Ave and Dryden Road, which is the main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood. And from there, we're just 1 block to campus.